Situated at the heart of Western Ghats, amidst coffee plantation and lush green forest, Sakleshpur is famous for coffee, cardamom, honey and pepper. At an altitude of 3,500 feet above sea level, climate is cool and pleasing from September to March. Summer is the hotter from April to June, and rainy season from June to August is enjoyable for rain lovers. 8 kilometers from Sakleshpur, that is 8 minutes drive, and 240 kilometers from Bangalore, that is 3 hours drive, on the National Highway 75 to Mangalore, one can enjoy the roadside waterfalls, Ettinahole Dam pumping station near Donigal railway station. Temples like Dharmasthala, Subramanya, Shringeri, Katilu towards west, Beluru, Halebeedu, Shravanabelagola towards east, Mullayanagiri, Kemmangundi, Kudremukh, Charmadi Ghat towards north, and Mallalli Falls, Abbi Falls towards south, all lie within the range of 2 hours drive. Western Ghats trekking to Kumara Parvat, Jenukallu Gudda and Ballala Rayana Durga will be very much enjoyable. Nearby Tipu Sultan's Manjarabad Fort is 2.5 kilometers from Sakleshpur. Best photographic season is September to December. Traveling in the train from Sakleshpur to Subramanya is breathtaking with the 52 tunnels and enjoy the best at Edakumeri. Here we go to Falling Water Resorts and it's exactly opposite to Ettinahole Dam, and on the National Highway 75 one can navigate in the Google map by typing Donigal Small Falls. Experience the greenery and close to the nature for an amazing value. Summer year-round beautiful resorts, treetop house, bridge house, multicultural cuisine in the waterfall restaurant located at 8 kilometers from beautiful Sakleshpur.